Hey everybody, it's Flatbread Friday, and it is the last Flatbread Friday of January, but we're moving on into the next month, and the month after that, and the month after that, and we'll keep them coming. Today, we're gonna make we're gonna make some taco pizza minis. I had we're gonna call them flatbreads because they're on naans, but I have the mini naans in my freezer, and so these are snackable, and you can enjoy them with margaritas or beer or whatever, little Dos Equis, and they're gonna be delicious, and they're made with ground beef and cheese and toppings, and let's do it. We're gonna start by listening to the dog bark. We're gonna start by making our taco meat. This is ground beef, and we're crumbling that in a pan, and we're going to season it with some, because I want to zip up the flavor of this, I'm going to use some seasoned salt instead of regular salt. And this will just add a little bit of an extra kick to it. Don't add too much salt. And black pepper. And the usuals. We have chili powder. We did this with the Crunch Wrap a couple days ago. A little chili powder. And some cumin. Some smoked paprika. And we're going to kick it up a bit with a little pinch of red pepper flake. You can kick it up more than that if you want. So we're going to stir in these seasonings. Looks like we're going to drain this beef when it's fully cooked. So we'll get there in just a minute. I changed my mind about draining the fat off because all that flavor is now incorporated into the fat, and I don't want to lose any flavor. So what I've done is made a little cornstarch slurry, and we brought this up to a nice high temperature, and we're going to see if this, and it's working, incorporates those flavors into that meat. Looks like we missed a couple of chunks, but anyway, as you can see, the fat is now gone. It's back in the hole, and now this whole meat mixture is going to be taco flavorful. The next thing we're going to do is make our special taco flatbread minis sauce. We're going to take some regular spaghetti sauce. Mix that with some salsa. I think I'll use the rest of this jar. And then mix it around. And this is we're gonna use as our base for our flatbread minis. Our naans are all laid out and ready for sauce. So let's sauce them. Probably about a tablespoon per. We'll see how that goes. Nicely sauced and ready for cheese. We got some cheddar. And I did blend it in with a little bit of that hoop cheese that I had left over from the soup. The hoop soup, in case you missed it. So let's see about getting all cheesed up and ready for our meat mixture. Again, we're going to do about a tablespoon on each one. I think a little more maybe, but we'll see how much we can spread this out. Okay, we are topped and we're ready to go in the oven. We're going to go in at 400 degrees for, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. We'll see how that goes. I'll let you know when they come out. And then we're going to put our taco toppings on them. And now it's time for our taco flatbread finale. And we're going to top these with a little lettuce. Oops. And a little bit of tomato. They're jumping off. And just because I had them, some crushed up tortilla chips. Okay, snacks are done. And in just a minute, we're gonna serve these. So let's do it. Because I'm a cereal snacker, we're gonna take these, a couple of these, and we're gonna cut them into quarters. And if all the stuff falls off, you just put it back on again. Because that's what happens. You can reform them, scoop them up. I said scoop them up. Come on. Slide them onto our Mexican plate. I love this plate. And I think we can accommodate one more. Okay, we have them on our plate, and the last thing we're going to do is I have some ranch dressing. It's been reduced, well, not reduced, but thinned out with just a tiny little bit of water so we can drizzle it. It's still a little thick, but we're going to just splash it on and give it that final taste. And here is our taco flatbread minis. And when I sit down tonight to binge Ozark and have a cocktail, this is what I'm going to snack on. And it's going to be fab. Flatbread Fridays are a fun day to play, and a fun day to eat. And they're just a yummy flatbread day, and I love Flatbread Fridays. Join me again.